In order to set up our rotary, we'll start by removing the honeycomb workspace and the blades. This is so we can fit the rotary in the laser and line it up with the grooves. Then we can plug the rotary's cord into the machine. With our rotary diameter setting at 73, we got pretty accurate results, so we'll leave it at that.